Hey, you don't know me, I'm the Root Boy. You don't get to see me on camera very often. The reason we're doing this is, I gotta tell you a little story, of course. I'm sorry to be so wordy and I got so much to say, but I just gotta tell you a few things. We went out of town. My wife's mother died. And long story short, her wish was to have her ashes spread with her husband's ashes and scattered over the ground in this town in Georgia called Fitzgerald, Georgia. We had no internet access. We had no telephone communications. Our phones didn't work up there. And it was a very rural place in Georgia. And that's where we were for the last 4 days. So I didn't answer any of your comments on the last video, the hot dog video. And I didn't get a chance to make another video for this week, which is what I'm doing right now. When I got home, there was this box from my buddy Craig behind the Garage BBQ, and a package as well, a package from Craig. And I thought, well, what I do is I'll make an unboxing video, and at the same time I wanted to do some shout outs and give you a little channel update. I got a piece of paper here. I wrote things down so I wouldn't forget them, because I forget stuff immediately after I hear it. So I just wanted to say, I want to give a few shout outs. Number one, Poor Guy with a Blackstone. It's a guy named Rob. He's a great guy. He's a big supporter of my channel. I really like him. Go check him out. 805 Barbecue Junkie. I think his name is George. Excellent channel. Go check out 805 Barbecue Junkie. All the channels will be in the description with links for you to click on. Also, a great guy, SJ Cooks. I think it's SJ Cooks or SJ Barbecue. His name happens to be Sal, and so does mine. So there you go. Who else we got? The Bearded Italian. Another cool dude. He's a fellow Italian. So, you know, I like that. That's good news, right? Who else we got here? Cajun Arnu Barbecue. Bones. Bones is a great guy. He went through a terrible time with a hurricane, but he's bouncing back now. He's making videos. He's doing great. Who else we got? I got to talk about Rivet Gardner. You know, my buddy John, he's a great guy. You got to go check out Rivet Gardner if you haven't already. And what's this? I can't read my own writing. Oh, well, Patty Joe, of course. Patty Joe. Everybody knows Patty Joe, right? Yeah. And Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Another great guy. I want to plug my own. I wanted to plug my own new YouTube channel. If you like dogs, or if you even remotely care about dogs or anything to do with dogs, go check out my new channel. It's called Doggy Park Diaries. Of course, I'll put a link in the description. And you can check out my new channel. It's all about dogs, short interviews with dogs and dog lovers. They're less than a minute long, each one. I got more coming. I got to start working on that. And I have some recipes coming up that you're going to really like. I'm going to try to do a video where I don't talk and there's no music on the video. It's going to be hard. It's going to be difficult. But I think I can pull it off. I want to do a no talking and no music video one of these days. I don't know when that's going to happen. But that's coming up. I think I've covered all the bases here except this one. It says smoke good or something. I can't read my own writing. So I really don't know what it means or what it says. Anyway, smoke good. Smoke is good. Hey, let me get my Kalashnikov out and open up this. Let's open up the envelope first from Craig. Okay, it's all the way from Rhode Island is where he lives. Rhode Island. Let's cut that thing open. Yeah, let's see what's in there. I have no idea. I told Craig, don't tell me, I don't want to know. Ah, check it out. Behind the Garage stickers and a behind the Garage koozie. A beer koozie. I was going to drink a beer, but it's way too early in the morning for that. Check this out. That's the coolest beer koozie I've ever seen. Got Craig's got a great logo. He's a great guy. Great, save me some stickers. That's awesome. I got to get some stickers of my own one of these days. I don't know when that's going to happen. Let me get this out of the way. Here's the box. The box is heavy as it can be and wrapped up like a mummy. So this box comes from Craig, and I don't even know where to start to open this thing. It's really wrapped up well. Luckily for me, my knife is sharp. Yeah. Oh man, that's a tough box right there. All right, got it. Got it. The Kalishnikov don't back up from nothing. Well packed, I'll tell you that. Well packed. Oh, we got lots of goodies in here. Lots of awesome goodies. Let's see, what's this? This is Autocrat coffee syrup. Now, Craig, I don't know, I'm not sure what to do with this. Coffee syrup. Can you see that? Autocrat coffee syrup. Coffee milk. Official state drink of Rhode Island. Cool. 30 ounces, 32 ounces. Coffee syrup. Craig, I really don't know what to do with that, but thank you. Let's put that aside. We got lots more stuff in here. Oh man, I just spied something. This is awesome. Check this out. Beer. What do you think is going to be featured in my next video? Frost Stalk Double IPA, Frost Double Slush, Double Shush, Frost Beerworks IPA. It's 4 different IPAs is what I think it is. Mass landing on a mountain in the clouds. Beautiful artwork on these cans. Look at this one, the green one. I can't even tell what that is. That's kind of like, here we go. Sluice Juice from Bentwater. Bentwater Brewing, I know about them. They're cool. That's a great brewing company. Thank you, Craig, for the beer. Hey, anybody wants to send me beer, anytime you want to send it. That's cool. What else we got here? Check this out. Uncle Steve's Original. Yeah, I've had Uncle Steve's shakes before. They sent me some of Uncle Steve's Original shakes. That's excellent. This box is packed up with stuff. I'm saving this one for last because he's got some more Uncle Steve's in here. Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. One of my favorites from Uncle Steve's, Gator Shake. You know, I got down at Wild Fork Foods, they have gator tenders, tenderloins. I think I'm going to get some and try it. Here's the last piece of the puzzle. It's in a plastic bag, wrapped up. These are some nice bags too. It's got 2 bottles in here. A small one which looks like hot sauce. You know I'm into hot sauce. Oh boy. Yeah. One of my favorites, Pick-a-Pepper hot sauce. Good stuff, Craig. Thank you. Thank you so much. And the last bottle, I can't wait to see, is Bear's Breath Ketchup for the Bold. Bold, low sugar, low sodium, fully awesome, bold ketchup. I'm betting it's hot ketchup, created as a daring answer to the single question, does ketchup need to be boring? Water, tomato paste, distilled vinegar, chipotle pepper. So it's chipotle ketchup. That would be great on a burger. And I've got some ideas coming up for an awesome burger. I'm definitely going to put this on them. Bear's Breath Ketchup for the Bold. Anyway, Craig, I am overwhelmed with this unbelievable generosity of you sending me all this stuff. Just beer, Uncle Steve shakes, ketchup, Pick-a-Pepper sauce, which I really like. I've had this before. Shooters Hill, Jamaica, Pick-a-Pepper sauce. I'm not really sure what to do with this. Do you put it in your coffee? Do you drink it by itself? I'll have to find out. High fructose corn syrup. That's not good. So it's some sweet coffee syrup. I'm not sure what to do with this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it'll make a good dessert. But I want to thank Craig from Behind the Garage BBQ. Go down in the description, go in the iCard and subscribe to Craig. Go in the description and check out all the other channels that I mentioned. I'm sure I forgot some. I'm very sorry for anybody who I left out. This is an update. These are the most recent channels that I've subscribed to. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like. And this video will be coming out on Friday. I'm not sure what the date will be, but the next one will be a cooking video. And I think the one after that, I'm going to try to do it without talking, without music. So you got that to look forward to. You won't have to hear my rambling, talking on. And no music, I don't know. I don't want to tell you why I'm doing that. but anyway, I'm going to try that. But next week, I think I'm going to be talking, because I've got too much to say about the next dish that I'm going to make, is a Filipino. We're going to make some pork belly. You know I'm happy because I love pork belly. Pork belly Filipino style is what I hope to do next on the channel. And I want to thank everybody who subscribes to my channel, watches my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. I've been overwhelmed with good feelings from the people that subscribe to my videos and always comment on my videos. I'm so sorry that I didn't answer any of your comments last week. I just was in a place where it was not, it was very rural, very agricultural, no internet, no phone service. All I could do, I mean, we couldn't even watch TV because they had, the place we were renting had a satellite system, and every time a cloud rolled over, or if it rained, the satellite would just go out, and it was just awful. Anyway, babies, thank you for watching. Please give me a like and a thumbs up. Please subscribe to all the people in the description box. Subscribe to Craig behind the Garage BBQ. If he likes you, he'll send you a bunch of stuff like this. No, he won't. But I'll tell you what, he's been a consistent supporter of my channel. He always watches my videos. He always likes and subscribe, and he always likes and subscribes. He always likes them. He always gives me a thumbs up. He's just a great guy. He's got an epic beard. I'm thinking I'm gonna grow a beard like Craig's, you know. I don't know. I don't think I can do it, because once it gets out to about there, you know, it starts to itch, and I can't handle it. But anyway, thank you for watching, babies. We'll see you next Friday with another cooking video. I hope to make some Filipino pork belly, if my plans don't fall through. The weather has been absolutely awful here. Raining every day. Today's the first day it hasn't rained. And yeah, that's it. Okay, babies, thanks again. See you next week. Bye.